everyone. My name is Shefali Padekar. I am the student from Leicester from the basic batch. Today my topic is bank. Introduction and definition of bank. The term bank is derived from Latin word banca or French word bank, both the meaning of monetary exchange table. Definition of bank: an establishment for custody of money, which is paid based out of customer's order. Second point is, what is banking? The bank is financial institution that undertakes the banking activity, that is, it accepts deposit and then lends some to certain earned profit. Third point is RBI. RBI was established in 1st April 1935. RBI was initially established in Calcutta but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. RBI's first Indian governor is D. Deshmukh, and now Indian governor is Raghuram Rajan. RBI's main head of the bank. RBI is fully owned by government of India. Fourth point is private sector banks. Private sector banks are independent banks. Private sector banks held by private shareholder, not by government. There are many types of private sector banks. First, ICICI Bank. The full form ICICI Bank, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICICI Bank was established in 1955. ICICI Bank is the largest private sector bank of India. ICICI Bank slogan is Khayal Aapka Hum Hai Na. Managing Director of ICICI Bank, Ms. Chanda Kochar. Second point is KMB. KMB means Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank was established in 1985. Kotak Mahindra Bank is the fourth largest private sector of bank. Uday Kotak is the managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank slogan is "Let's make money simple." Third is Axis Bank. Axis Bank was established in 1993. Axis Bank is the third largest Indian private sector of bank. The slogan of Axis Bank, "Badti ka naam Zindagi." Axis Bank is the MD of Shikha Sharma. Second point is public sector bank. Public sector bank is the not independent bank. Public sector bank owned by government. Many types of public sector banks, like UBI. UBI means Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India was established in 1950. Union Bank of India is the largest commercial bank of India. Slogan of Union Bank of India: good people to bank with. Arun Tiwari is the managing director of Union Bank of India. Second point is Bank of India. Bank of India was established in 1906. It is the oldest Indian bank and also commercial bank. Bank of India, the slogan is relationship beyond banking. Bank of India, the MD is Vijay Lakshmi Iyer. Third point is SBI. SBI means State Bank of India. State Bank of India was established in 1955. State Bank of India is the commercial bank. State Bank of India commercial bank in terms of assets, deposit and employees. State Bank of India MD is Arundhati Bhattacharya. Slogan of State Bank of Common Bank of Bank.